Boulevard, 6th Avenue F, next 943 North. Step in, watch it close the doors.
Why does he play it so loud? What am I going to do? I guess everyone has their reasons.
You too can be a winner.
We all want to be winners on this train.
You can be a winner too. You too can be a winner.
We all want to be winners on this train. Man, music must be this guy's orange juice. Why not? As long as I have another token for a new ride and a subway fantasy. Morning, everybody. For a change, I'm early. Graded the papers. Pretty good. Andre?
Oh, what's this, man? This is a good paper.
But your paper's gotta have less soul and more grammar. Pronouns, verbs, participles, and all them things.
Yeah, but soul's the thing, man. I mean, you gotta use it to communicate. All right, you want more grammar and less soul. You got it.
That's what I like to hear. Donna? Really now, Donna, one-line compositions?
I'm sorry, but the other night I was in my living room and my little sister, she got my paper and she gave it to the dog and he ate it.
Donna, man, I thought you had a cat.
I did, but it died. I'm sorry, George.
Donna, I know you can do better than that. Now look, everyone, you're all here to learn. You want to write and you want some skills. I will teach them to you, but you have to be willing to work hard and do your job. Okay, everybody, have a nice holiday, and I expect everybody to come back with at least 7 pages filled out in their journal.
7 pages?
And no excuses. Donna, I hope your dog gets better. And David, I'd like to see you before you go, okay?
Hey, man, what's up? I spent all night on that composition.
Hey, listen, the paper was fine, but not as good as the others. What's happening?
I'm having trouble at home.
What kind of trouble?
Do you really want to know?
Yes, I really want to know.
My old man got drunk one night last week and tried to shoot my mother. You didn't know he was crazy, did you?
Did anyone get hurt?
Nah. My mom is okay, but they put my father in the hospital. And I feel sorry for him, because he's all alone.
Hey, why don't you come to my house the day after New Year's, and we'll have dinner, and then we can talk. My girlfriend's a great cook. What do you say?
Hey, I don't know.
Come on. Come on.
Hey, okay.
Okay, put it there.
How you doing, buddy?
Hi,
Hey,
Charlie.
Georgie! It's good to see you. Hey, listen, there's somebody I want you to meet. Hey, come on, Joe. Joe, this is George. Georgie, this is Joe.
Hi.
Great American prolific writer.
Very pleased to meet you.
Hey, listen, sweetheart, do me a favor. Would you get a cup of coffee or play the jukebox or something? Met her at a bar last night down in the village, West 4th Street, where the midgets hang out. You know, she's good for my image. Sit down. Listen, I've been trying to get in contact with you. That's all I've been getting in contact with is with your mother.
I've been busy, Charlie.
Yeah. I take a bus ride up to 135th Street. Never been to a college campus before. Hey, you know, This cafeteria is really nice.
Architect students built it. It's a good place to study.
Study? I thought you was teaching.
I am.
Are you getting paid to teach?
Well, not yet, but...
Oh, come on, George. You ain't no college graduates that are pumping gas. You pumping gas out of your mouth. Look, I'm offering you a chance of a lifetime. Something you've always wanted to do. Right up your alley, Georgie. It's a job to be a writer. My boss, the one with the film company that I'm working for, he's having a New Year's Eve party. I want you to come.
I'll think about it, okay?
That's the old Georgie I knew. Hey, listen, I gotta get going. Hey, do you remember the time when you and I were kids and your mother put us in a stroller together and rolled us up and down the street?
Such gorgeous children.
Hey, I gotta go. Come on, come on. Think about it.
Hi, George.
Man, this house stinks.
The roaches, too. You never take the garbage down.
Ah, the genius is home again, and feeding his face as usual.
So Charlie. He said he might have a job for me.
I know. He called here. I told him you were working.
Working. Is teaching a bunch of monkeys to write gonna put food in your mouth? If you want to teach, be a teacher, but get paid for it.
Well, look, the dean said he had me in mind for a full-time job.
In mind. In mind isn't gonna put a damn thing in your pocket. You see these? Hard work. That's what earns a living, buddy. And don't you forget.
See this? This is how I'm gonna make my living. I can think and I can write.
He gets a few stories in a lousy school paper, and now he's a big shot writer. Did you forget? Or do you want to be a punk on the street again?
You never forget, do you?
Stop this nonsense. George, do me a favor. Take the garbage down. Harry put the plates on the table.
Oh, I don't need this. Even on New Year's, he likes to fight.
Take the garbage. If you want to teach, be a teacher, but get paid for it. But get paid for it. But get paid for it.
Money, money, money.
Money, 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 money.
Chester, don't you start yapping about money.
Okay, you dirty rat. Drop that briefcase.
James Cagney. You don't sound like Cagney and don't try.